No, it's not dustbin.
But it looks like a dustbin.
No, with that.
We want so many golden balloons in my present.
Channel and
Mama.
हाँ मेरा बच्चा
I want to see.
you want to say so okay so hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing good and staying safe. So today I had arranged a game for my daughter and the game name is the treasure hunt. So in this game I have made this kind of simple drawings in a small sheets and I had put these sheets in some corner of my house, and with these sheets my daughter will get the clues and at the end of the game she will get the treasure. This is just a simple game. So at the end of the video I'll tell you the benefits of this game and the modified version for the elder ones. So right now I'm damn excited to play this game with my daughter. So let's get started.
Let's go. Mahima, I have arranged a game for you.
Huh?
And the name of the game is Treasure Hunt. Wanna play it?
Yeah.
Okay, and your hint is this one.
I know. It's gas.
Let me see. Yeah, it's a gas stove, okay?
I know. Let's go. Mama, come. Don't be आजा.
What's that?
Mini plant.
Mini plant? Where's the mini plant? What's that?
Hint.
You have to find it. You can find it somewhere.
No. I don't know what.
Try.
Dustbin.
No, it's not dustbin.
But it looks like a dustbin.
No, Vita, it's not a dustbin. Let's find something in your room. If we can find it's there in your room. Come.
Yeah, it is the dustbin. It's my room dustbin. Ah!
No, it's not there.
Ah! It's the drawer.
Yes, it's a drawer. Okay, and what hint is there? It's a
Windmill. Windmill.
Windmill. Where's the windmill? It's your windmill?
Yeah.
But it's not moving.
That's how it moves.
Okay, and what's the another hint?
It's broken.
Okay, anyway, any hint?
Yeah.
What?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's find the umbrella.
Ah! Behind you!
Behind me? No.
I found it. It's a bell.
It's a?
Bell.
Let me see. What kind of bell?
Jai Mata Di.
Jai Mata Di bell.
Bouncy ball.
What's there?
Bouncy ball.
Let me see. Show me the bouncy ball. Where have you kept the bouncy ball?
I'm starting to guess.
Try.
I'm starting to guess. My room. My room is full of toys. Under it, oh, it's my Mickey Mouse.
Let me show you Mickey Mouse.
I dropped it. Look.
Doesn't look like
I
Mickey
got
Mouse.
red.
Yeah, it's a Mickey Mouse.
Yep, it is. But there's no chip.
You have to find.
Where is it? Oh. What's that? Golden
What's that?
balloon. Golden balloon.
What's that, beta?
We found so many golden balloons.
Okay, let me see them.
I'll just open it first. Look,
So then,
We want so many golden balloons in my treasure. The Mickey Mouse is finished. The game is finished.
game is finished. You won the game
Yeah.
and you found your treasure.
Yeah.
So congratulations.
Thanks. It was taking a little bit time. But I finished the game improperly.
Anything else?
Mwah.
Anything else?
Yeah. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. Bye. Tata. Love you. I like this video. It's a great game about golden balloons. I love golden balloons. I like it.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the game, and if you enjoyed the video, so please let us know by hitting the like button. Now it's time to tell you the benefits of this game. Firstly, the game increases analytical skills of the kid. Secondly, the kids will aware of every nook and corner of the house, and ultimately they develops a habit of preserving things. I hope you have noticed that my daughter is enjoying the journey more than her destination. If we could incorporate this habit in our children, so this could be the best learning for their life. So most important, this game gives the sense of achievement to our kids. So guys, this is the simplest way of the treasure hunt. For the elder ones, you can replace these sketches in some 1 or 2 line puzzles, or as per creativity or interest of your kids. So guys, if you want such more videos, so subscribe my channel and हाँ मेरा बच्चा
I want to say.
you want to say. So okay, so
Subscribe my channel if you want more such
videos,
videos.
subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button.